Hey friends, so today I'm going to show you really quickly how to create flashcards with Knowt. So there are a bunch of different options. You could create from a PDF, PowerPoint, video, or audio. You could create from a live recording of your class, and Knowt will create flashcards based on the content that you're sharing. You could create from scratch and upload your own terms and definitions, import from Quizlet, or import a flashcard set from a list of terms manually. I'm going to go ahead and create from a file that I have because that's super fast and it'll help me create something helpful for my students. So I'm going to select my file. It is the parts of a cell. That's a hard one. And then I also need to select my output. So my output is going to be flashcards. There's going to be different modes. You could also then use Knowt Play Live Game. One-on-one tutoring will be available, and you'll also be able to have a podcast generated or a practice test, all from this flow of creating flashcards. So let me go ahead and confirm. Awesome. And then I have different settings as well. So I can align to standards, choose the language, set up the amount of flashcards, the style, regular, fill in the blank, or question and answer, all pages of the document, or I could do a custom page range, and then opt for it to save also on my device. All right, so let's go ahead and confirm and click next. And now we have our flashcards created in a bunch of different modes that you can use with your students.